let f and g, this is f and this is g, be the functions shown above. If h is their product of f and g, which one of these could that be? Well, the only point on here I know for sure is this one here. It's 0, 0, 0, 0. If you multiply, f and g, so h of 0 is going to be f of 0 times g of 0, which of course both of them are 0. 0 times 0 is 0. So we know that we should get 0 when we plug in 0 for x. That means a cannot be what h of x equals. It cannot be b, and it cannot be e. The a and e, of course, are undefined, and e to the x, or e to the 0 is just 1. So the question is it c or d? C is actually a linear function. E squared is just a number. So it's going to look something, e squared is going to be something, greater than 1, something like this. That's what we're expecting for that one. And then this is going to be some, more strange function. But we can do a little bit more analysis to figure out which one it is. So first off, this definitely looks like an exponential that's being multiplied by something, because we have, it kind of shoots off down towards negative infinity, and it goes to 0 pretty quickly. It kind of looks like the regular exponential function that's been first flipped this way and then flipped upside down like this. That's what it looks like to me. Of course, it's been multiplied by something to give it a little bit more of a strange behavior. It actually hits 0, and then it kind of goes down faster like this. But what happens is it's an exponential function, which means it goes to 0 very quickly as it goes off to the right, and it's going to go to negative infinity very, very fast as it goes to the left. Now this is definitely going to be something like x squared. It might be multiplied by something, but it's very close to regular x squared. Now x squared goes off to infinity this way, but not as fast as this goes to 0. So I expect this side to go to 0 pretty quick for when you multiply them together. The same thing is true on this side. This is negative infinity, and this will be positive, so it's definitely going to end up being negative. It's going to be down here in the third quadrant. But this goes off to infinity upward as you go to the left, a lot more slowly than this goes to infinity. So it should go down to negative infinity pretty quickly. So this side is going to end up going to 0 as you go to the left-hand side. This side is going to end up going to 0 pretty quick, and this side is going to go down to negative infinity pretty quick. And a linear function definitely does not do that. There's no way it can do that. So it has to be D.